Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Lately, I've been seeing this method pop up all over the place. People are saying you can get unlimited stars and coins in Gardenscapes using just your phone. No computer, nothing complicated at all. At first, I wasn't sure what to think. It sounded a little too easy, so I decided to try it out myself and see what really happens. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did, step by step, and show you how it turned out in the end. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. After that, I grabbed my phone and opened up my browser. I'm using Chrome, but really, any mobile browser should do the job. I searched for the website everyone's been talking about related to Gardenscapes Unlimited Stars and Coins. The page loaded right away. No sketchy redirects, no random pop-ups, nothing annoying. Honestly, that caught me off guard. It looked clean, simple, and surprisingly normal. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, the site asked me how many stars and coins I wanted to add. For this test, I went all in and chose the highest option. Figured if I'm testing it, I might as well really test it. Once I confirmed, a few progress bars started moving, showing each step being completed one by one. Everything was super clear, nicely organized, and easy to follow. Nothing confusing at all. Before wrapping up, there was a quick verification step. The site explains exactly what to do with simple instructions, so it didn't feel complicated or overwhelming. I already took care of that part earlier, so now let's skip ahead and check the results. To see if everything actually worked, I opened Gardenscapes again and checked my stars and coins balance. And yeah, they were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting around, nothing like that. The update happened instantly right on my screen, which honestly caught me off guard. I didn't expect it to be that fast or that smooth. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.